Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Abby Jo. In today's vlog, I'm going to be taking you along as I soak up every minute of these beautiful summer days. This view never gets old. Swimming in Lake Superior with my kids and picnicking on the beach will forever be a favorite summer pastime. I always keep my trusty picnic blanket in my car for picnics and road trips. I use it on my own lawn as well. I got this blanket over 10 years ago at a thrift store and it is still as lovely as ever. My goal over the next month is to be outside as much as possible, swimming, walking, reading, eating, or just hanging out with my family. My daughter Natasha and I love to visit coffee shops and try out new drinks. Today I ordered a strawberry matcha and seriously fell in love. It's fun to get out and explore local areas when it's summertime. I love the feel of a coffee shop during the summer. It's very relaxed and the smell of coffee hits you as a warm breeze when you walk through the door. This is the first time I've ever tried a matcha drink and I love the combination of strawberries and cold foam. I am definitely going to try making this at home. Natasha got a mocha breve, which is one of my favorite coffee drinks when visiting a coffee shop. We decided to sit outside and enjoy the fresh air before we head over to the park and check out the fountains and the flowers. I think parks are underrated. There are so many pretty places to visit and enjoy all around us. I really enjoy taking slow walks around looking at the flowers. Natasha and I are crazy flower ladies. We love all the beautiful flower beds or gardens that we see, and we often stop to look anytime we see anything that's pretty. We decided that since we were in town that we should stop by TJ Maxx. It was fun to look around. I came in wanting to get some pretty matching summer mugs for Natasha and I. There was so much selection, and we both liked the blue and white mugs. However, we ended up picking the whimsical strawberry and flower mugs from England. They're so happy looking, and I know we will enjoy them. I always like to look at the specialty foods. I look for spices, vanilla paste, and good olive oils. I was so excited to wash the mugs and make some coffee for Natasha and I. Natasha has her own AeroPress and I have one as well, so we can make double coffees at the same time, which is really nice. I ran out of my maple syrup, which is my favorite sweetener of choice with steamed milk. So today I used sweetened condensed milk and a drop of vanilla paste to make a creamy vanilla latte. One of my favorite things to do is take a coffee or a tea break during the day, as many of you know. I enjoy tea dates with my husband and coffee breaks with my daughters and, of course, tea parties with my little ones. I am a busy mom, but something I've always made priority is for a simple respite in my day. It's usually 15 minutes to an hour long, depending on the seasons of life. Summers are more leisurely, and I will often make it a reading time as well. I love to kick off my shoes and have a coffee or tea and a good book. Lots of times my daughter and I end up talking and sharing what we've been reading about. At the beginning of this summer, I bought myself a few new things for summer. I got this darling Jane Austen coloring book, a glass water tumbler with a straw so I can remind myself to drink more water, and these great flip-flops with an arch support, and I have worn them almost every day. It was fun to order something online that I knew I would use and enjoy all summer long. Because we're moving, I have not been thrift shopping for over 3 months because I really don't want to pack anything else right now. However, next week, I'm going to go thrifting with my 2 daughters. They want to visit a few of their favorite thrift stores before we leave, and I'll try to film some of that. I love walking around our property and making bouquets of flowers with whatever flower is blooming at the moment. It's so relaxing, and I love walking around and looking at everything that is in bloom. I love this quote: "A garden is a canvas where nature and art become one." So much to learn from your garden. For me, flowers, gardens, being outside is part of my childhood. I remember great-grandma's pale pink tea roses, the big lilac bush in our yard that I used to read books under, my mom's big garden, and grandma's too, our huge orchard just behind our house where we would eat cherries until our tummies ached. The memories all mingle into this love of flowers, gardens, and nature. A bouquet of flowers on the table or counter just lights up the whole room. It's such a simple pleasure to me. I had to try making my own strawberry matcha at home. I'll have the full recipe on my blog, and I'll put a link in the description. While I measured out the matcha, I am also making cold foam with my frother using whole milk. Depending on what matcha you buy from the store, you're going to need to measure the amount it says on the bag for about a cup of matcha. I dissolve it in a 1/4 cup of warm water with a whisk. I don't have the bamboo matcha whisk, so I improvised with a flat whisk that I had. When dissolved, you're going to add 1 cup of milk to the mixture. I'm washing up some strawberries to make my strawberry syrup base. I'm adding the berries to the blender with some honey and a little water, and I'm going to blend until smooth. I'm just eyeing it here, but I add in the strawberry, and then I add in the ice, and then I add in the matcha milk, and finally a bit of the cold foam on top. I also like to just put a little bit of strawberry on top, just to look pretty. It tastes really good, and I will definitely be making it again.